I'd like to welcome you guys to my video. And we're going to have a different intro today with Kitt Spark at the end. Because on the where I'm at now, I caught a train. You know how I am about my trains. But today, I'm at the Covered Bridge here in Guilford, Indiana. This particular video, was not planned, obviously. Only thing I was going to do for this weekend, yes, this is my weekend, was do some fishing. But I am under the weather, so is my wife. We think it's sinuses, we're hoping it's not COVID. But we're under the weather. So, whatever I can present. So we're headed over here to the creek. My daughter's with me, and she's going to get her feet wet. Kid's going to get his feet wet. So, guys, without any further ado, let me run that train. That's not going to be my permanent intro, or should it be? With Kitt barking at the end? I don't know. See what you guys think. Welcome back. Excuse me, I'm going to be doing that a lot, guys. Last time we was here is last June when my wife, after she hurt her leg, her kneecap. And I did a video over here at one of them picnic tables about some ghostly encounters once. Yeah, it was around Halloween time. I was talking about some ghostly encounters that we experienced down here. God, I hope I could do something this Halloween. I'm hoping to do some skits. Today's video, just so you all know, is going to be all over the map. I am going to get Kitt walking through the waters. I did ask Elizabeth, can I get her walking through the water? She said no. She don't want her feet out there for YouTube to see. Can't really blame her. Now today, Angie should be able to go down to the creek. Last time we was here, she wasn't able to go on down to the creek, go on down that little hill, because her kneecap was all torn up. My poor wife has sit right yonder there at that picnic table. And here we go. It's all grown up since the last time we was here. And this is the little hill. I do not want Angie going down. Alright, let's head down there. And here we go. And I've said this every time I come down here. Alright, Gimbal. Whoop, wrong way, Mr. Gimbal. When I was a kid, I used to come down here. And my mom used to weigh in the creek. Way in the water. Yeah, she used to weigh in the creek. Technically, you're not allowed swimming in here. So I don't know if you're wading in the creek, consider swimming. Uh-oh. Kid's got something. Be right back. All right, Kitt, come on. Let's go way out there in the water. Go on.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him for now, baby. Come on. Come on, walk through the water. Come on, don't be so... Labradors like water. Come on, get in there. It feel good on your paws? Go on. Oh, there you is. He ain't want no part of that. Well, I'm glad his flea and tick medicine, he just had it last night. Elizabeth, why would you walk in the water with your shoes on?
Because it's sharp.
Oh, that might be a smart thing to do. You want to get in the water now? There we go. Go on. You're fine. We're going to have to bring the towel in the back seat. Go on. You're fine. No, this way, Bubby. Come on, this way. You're fine. Go on. Want to go down and see Sissy? Come on. Up. He's like, okay, kid, okay. Sorry, guys. This is all over the place, but he's pulling me like crazy. There you go, Kitt. Go follow Sissy. There you go. That must feel much cooler on your paws. The other thing, too, is... excuse me. It's a hot day. It's not as hot now because it's evening time, but tomorrow's going to be even hotter. Now, we've got another week to go through. And then we're on vacation. And before September comes, you guys might be seeing this real close to September. No, you won't. We're gonna have some days that's 100 degrees. That's a beautiful shot right there, isn't it? Oh man, is that a beautiful shot.
You can't eat the rocks, Billy.
He's trying to eat the rocks in the water. Whoop, let me move the camera down. You can't eat the rocks, you know that, right? Especially if they're underneath the waters. What'd you see there, Angie or Elizabeth?
Crawdad.
Oh. Look at him. Just look at him.
To get in the water.
I sure did. I'm tempted to take my shoes off and just walk right on. Whoop. Come on, Gimbal. Get him on. You got him on your own again. Such amateur video in here. Uh-oh, he's all tangled up. I'm tempted to take my shoes off and just walk them right on through this water. Right on through. By the way, I keep wanting to go over to the other side over yonder, but that's private property. I just learned that on the way in today. All right, one more good look at this place before we leave. It sure is beautiful. Hi, Angie. You beautiful too. Thank you, husband.
Thank you, dear.
Uh-huh. Now he's eating the weeds. All right, kid, let's get out of here. He's eating everything he sees, but he's still happy. Whatever it is that Angie and I have, I don't think it's anything serious. I think it has every bit to do with the weather changing. We had some really good days. Now it's starting to change and get cold. Almost a cold. It's starting to change and get hot again. We had some mornings that was 51 degrees. Yeah. I'm going to sit down at the table, wait for them to get up, and try to get my puppy under control. Yeah, today this wasn't on the docket. I didn't really have a docket made for this weekend. I was just going to be fishing. I'm going to try to do some fishing tomorrow. I have a lot of things planned. We're going vacation. My youngest son is on vacation at the same time. We're going to be headed over to Brookville Lake and Whitewater and get some of the places over there. Oh, I don't know about you guys, but I'm tuckered out. Holy. And we didn't really do that much walking. I'm just done for. I want to get back to the Defiant and get me some waters. You guys thirsty? I is. I basically made a video yesterday about Popeyes opening up in our town. Well, you guys haven't seen the video, won't see it probably till September. I kind of goofed up on it. So all the footage I got, I'm going to keep until Popeyes actually does open. And then I will go ahead and do the rest of the footage from there. And I will explain in that video what I did. But guys, the Covered Bridge, Guilford Park. Quiet little place to come. Beautiful little place to come. Technically, I've been coming here all my life. First place I ever driven a car is in that little parking lot down there. Of course, back then, it was gravel. Dad handed me the keys and says, go ahead and drive around circles, Michael. And I did. You got to remember, that's back in the 70s, too. Yeah. You can't get away with that stuff today. That's for damn sure. All right, guys. Sorry for the poor video footage today. I know it ain't the best. But I feel like poo. Yeah. All right, Kitt. And plus, he's pulling me like a son of a gun. Oh. You were doing everything to get under my skin today, Bubby. No, we're going to sit here and stay for a little bit. Okay, and stay. Oh, but guys, till next time. Thanks for watching. Come on. Let's get out of here. Hopefully, tomorrow, whatever I come up with a video then, maybe be fishing. Maybe then I'd be on my game. But right now, I'm off my game. I'm tired. Oh, stopped up. And I feel like boo. Until next time, thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you soon.